Why I love my online business, making money from home and working from home. Hi everybody, this is Annelie van Wyk, granny of 2, cancer survivor and a senior citizen. And I would like you to watch this movie right to the end. Please, it's going to be just a short video. Thank you. Last night I was thinking how privileged I am to have this opportunity to be able to work from home. We can do what we want to, whenever we want to. Don't have to ask a boss to have a suntan, a walk on the beach, or to go to the movies. And why? Because I work from home. I make money from home, and I am my own boss. What a privilege. Power Lead System, you made me. I have to thank my Father in heaven for this privilege, this hour and this ordinary, extraordinary opportunity. Not everybody is prepared to put in extra effort. Not everybody is prepared to make a little sacrifice. And at the end, who is smiling? Only those who make the extra effort and sacrifice. I am grateful, I am thankful, I am honored to be in this program as a Power Lead System member. And to be, I had to make some investment, a total of $697, to be in on all the levels at Power Lead System. And now I can earn once-off commissions of $20 residual income. Let's start. $6 once-off commissions, $20 residual income, $100 commissions for diamond members, $400 commissions for platinum members, plus additional one-time bonuses, and all this is unlimited. Plus, on a lot of stages, 50% of whatever my downline is making. So how's that? Endless. What more can I ask? Goodness, there is limitless training in the back office, endless training during the week, Facebook groups of support, where members can ask questions and quickly get answers by fellow members or coaches. And Power Lead Systems, the funnels are already set up for you. The capture pages are set up for you. All you have to do is to put it together and voila, commission starts pouring in. And you can make use of the free or paid traffic. Free traffic is like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. Your choice is endless. And I am excited. I am so excited. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We get paid every Wednesday without fail. And whether I'm getting $6, $60, $600 for the week, I am a happy chappy because, bottom line, I am getting paid. Can you say the same while spending time at home? Do you make money while you sleep? I do, and I can help you step by step. Our Power Lead System is newbie friendly with no limits. There's guidelines for online and offline promotion. There's banners, there's postcards, pre-written emails, videos, all already done for you. So just get out of your comfort zone, pull out your credit card and do it. Do it, do it, do it, do it. That's the only way that you're going to have a difference. It doesn't help dreaming, saying, one day I'll be rich and one day I'll go overseas and one day. Where you're going to be one day depends on yourself. So make a difference, get alive, get out of your comfort zone and get in action. The clock is ticking and every moment you are waiting, your golden opportunity is passing by. So, thought for the day. Get out of your comfort zone and the sky can be your limit. So, click on my link below, join the winning team and let me help you make your dreams come true. Step by step, I'll be on your side because if you win, I win. So, why not? It's a win-win situation.